Hello there, welcome back to the channel. I am Aditya and you are watching Google Colab versus Azure ML Studio. So, the model that we are going to train today and test the performances on the two platforms is Lenet 5. It's the Hello World model for convolutional neural networks. And more on that, you can find out in my previous video where we talked about architecture and its implementation in Python and doing it on Azure ML. And flashback for 15 seconds. So let's do it. The idea is that I will run the training on both the platforms for the same model at the same time, and we'll see the time differences. The CPU and GPU difference will be like on the Azure ML Studio. I have the a very standard GPU compute, and on Google Colab, I'm just with the defaults. I'm not sure if we are even allowed to change that. So let's do it. Let's run the training. And we have a clear winner. Azure ML Studio is basically taking half the time, and we know that by seeing that Google Colab, while is basically the half five on fifth epoch, we are already done on Azure ML Studio. And the best thing even is that Azure ML Studio gives us the choice to select our own compute. We can opt for much more powerful computes, and which have much more stronger GPUs and CPUs, and that will just be phenomenal in these small models and be significantly powerful or effective on really complex models as well. And that's not the limit. Sky is the limit there. You can also opt for cluster compute clusters. So basically, a group of computes will together communicate, and train your model, that's just beyond comprehension. If you are ready to dive in and try it out for yourself, check out my ongoing YouTube playlist. I'll guide you step by step in setting up your Azure ML workspace using a free subscription so you won't incur any costs. We'll explore training models together and you'll gain valuable insights for your research and exploratory projects. So, see you there.